How to insert rows and columns in Google Sheet. Need to add more space for extra data? Insert rows or columns in Google Sheet is the fastest way to expand your spreadsheets without starting over. Let's quickly learn how to make a room where you exactly need it. Smooth and simple. Firstly, open the spreadsheet you want, and then over here you can see I want a column at the middle over here. How I can do it is by simply tap on the one on the right or on the left. Simply tap on one of it. Over there you can see the at the bottom right you can see add a row, where you can see a small picture over here like this. If you tap on it, a row will be added. If you tap on this, a column will be added. Like this, you can simply add rows and columns and fill in the gaps and edit your data accordingly.